Mastering authentication systems auditing. An authentication system's primary purpose is to shield the organization's crown jewels from prying eyes. When an organization implements an authentication system, what is its primary purpose, and what specific assets, data, or resources does it aim to safeguard and protect from unauthorized access or malicious activities? The primary purpose of an authentication system is to verify the identity of users, devices, or systems attempting to access a network, application, or resource. This verification process ensures that only authorized entities gain access to the protected assets, data, or resources, thereby safeguarding them from unauthorized access or malicious activities. The authentication system's ultimate goal is to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the protected assets by controlling who can access them, what actions they can perform, and under what circumstances. The authentication system aims to safeguard and protect the following specific assets, data, or resources. 1. Sensitive data, financial information, personal identifiable information, PII, confidential business data, and intellectual property are all protected from unauthorized access, theft, or malicious modification. 2. Network resources. Authentication systems control access to network devices, such as routers, switches, and servers, to prevent unauthorized modifications, data breaches, or disruptions to network operations. 3. Applications and services. Authentication systems protect access to applications, services, and systems, ensuring that only authorized users can access, modify, or delete data within these systems. 4. Privileged accounts. Authentication systems restrict access to privileged accounts, such as administrative or root accounts, to prevent unauthorized elevation of privileges, data manipulation, or system exploitation. 5. Physical assets. Authentication systems may also be used to control access to physical assets, such as data centers, server rooms, or facilities, to prevent unauthorized physical access or tampering with sensitive equipment. 6. Cloud-based resources. As organizations increasingly adopt cloud-based services, authentication systems extend to protect cloud-based resources, such as storage, computing power, or software applications, from unauthorized access or malicious activities. To achieve its primary purpose, an authentication system typically involves the following components and processes. 1. Identification. Users, devices, or systems provide an identifier, such as a username, ID, or IP address, to initiate the authentication process. 2. Authentication factors. Users, devices, or systems provide one or more authentication factors, such as passwords, biometric data, smart cards, or one-time passwords, to verify their identity. 3. Verification. The authentication system verifies the provided authentication factors against stored credentials, policies, or attributes to determine whether access should be granted or denied. 4. Authorization. Upon successful authentication, the system determines the level of access, privileges, or actions the authenticated entity can perform on the protected assets, data, or resources. 5. Accountability. The authentication system maintains logs, audit trails, and monitoring capabilities to track user activities, detect potential security incidents, and support incident response and forensic analysis. By implementing an effective authentication system, organizations can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access, data breaches, or malicious activities, thereby protecting their valuable assets, data, and resources.